continuation of yesterday, I suppose. We are heading out on a Sunday cruise. We're hitting the lake, and we're meeting up with a buddy, and then we're gonna right out to the lake, I think. So I got a buddy who's looking to get his first bike. I don't know, what's everybody think of the rider training course? I personally think it's a great idea. I wish I would have done it. I was just impatient. I couldn't find any openings in any classes, so I just went and took the written test, got my white slip, and rode with friends for a while until I went and took my riding test actually and got my license. But so he's looking to do the training course, which I think is a great idea. I mean, I had to learn a lot of my skills through scary moments on the road where the class would have probably taught me a lot of those things. But on the other side of that, he's looking at bikes, and he seems to be set on the Honda Rebel 1100, which, hey man, great bike, right? I mean, Honda's affordable, they're dependable. I mean, they have a good reputation. But I don't know, kind of want to know what everybody thinks. Anybody got any opinions on a first bike? Like, I personally made a mistake on my first bike. I got a small 400 Royal Enfield Himalayan and like regretted it instantly. Like, I outgrew it almost immediately. Wish I would have got something bigger. So I mean, the 1100 Rebel, it's not like a small engine bike or nothing, so I mean, there's still plenty of power there. But I don't know, you're gonna get a Honda then wish you would have bought a Harley, you know? I don't know. He's a lot like me. Like, he really cares about the look of the bike. Like, I'm big into that, right? Like, I want it to look good. I want that classic cruiser look, and he's kind of the same way. But he likes the Rebel, so I think that's where he's gonna go. But if anybody has any opinions on first-time bikes, yeah, he's not a small guy. He's 6 foot, 6'1", I think, somewhere in there. But I think, you know, I think the Rebel would fit him fine. Whereas like me, like I had some struggles. I had to figure out what bike I wanted, plus it had to fit me because I'm 6'5". Like, the fat bob fits me good. I'm a little too forward for my liking. I wish I sat back a little further, but you know, I've gotten pretty used to it as of now, so I'm not super worried about it. That's why I'm not jumping into buying a new seat or throwing extended forwards on or nothing. Like, I just kind of want to get my fairing and all that stuff, and then I'll decide later on if I want to try another seat or whatever. So yeah, leave your comments below. You know, what do you think of, like, what was your first bike? What was your experience? Any regrets? Because I know I sure had mine. But he's super excited. He's dove into the YouTube moto vlogs and all that. Like, he's hooked, man. Like, I get it. I was the same way. I still am. Like, I watch, if I'm on YouTube, I'm watching motorcycle videos. I just love it. The community, the culture, everything about it, man, it's just good. So today would have been a great day for him to ride with us. Well, hopefully soon, man. Hopefully Hopefully we get them on 2 wheels before the end of summer. Or before the end of riding season, I should say. Anyway, he was talking about the Rebel and I was showing him Harley Davidson Iron 883s, right? Like, I'm trying to get him on a Harley. Put him in that Harley owners group club, you know? Like my buddy riding with me here, he's got a brand new Harley Nightster, you know, a Sportster. But it fits him good, man. It's like, you know, hell, if I was normal size, you know, 6 foot or so, I would have bought an Iron 883. I just love the look of those bikes. I just think they're tough as hell looking. So I was sending him some pictures of Iron 883s, you know, all decked out, black denim. You know, we're so much alike. I know he would, you know, pretty much usually likes what I do and vice versa. So we'll see what he does. I'll keep working on him, get him in the Harley family. Oh, I didn't think about this way. I was like, why are we going this way? But now I see. I can't stop at Legacy Harley, man. I don't have... I'm wearing out my checkbook. Man, I got like stray hairs on my helmet, making my face itch. Make a pit stop up here and meet up with our buddy Phil. He's got a Honda Fury, which is pretty sick, you gotta admit. I just wish Honda Furies made more colors. Like, they come out, like the new year comes out and they have like one color, and they seem to like rotate the same colors. Like, he's got a yellow one which looks fucking amazing. Like, where's the red? Like, red and black, man, come on. If they would have had a brand new red and black one, I might have went that route. I don't know. Could go ahead and top it off. We're riding out to the lake, riding all out to, and riding back to town, so probably wouldn't hurt. Huh? Man, I can't hardly hear you. Yeah, you're so quiet. I didn't do anything. I can't listen to music and hear you. anyone out there, 'cause it's getting harder and harder to breathe. It's Maroon 5. Actually, it's the metal version. I don't even know. Fucking awesome. Did Lena just kill it? Oh great, now we missed our green light. He's wearing new shoes, so I bet he's having trouble getting his foot. I don't know why I find such amusement in those kinds of things, but it's the lake.
In the water, the red herring's in the water.
Oh.
Or in Russia. That looks like that you have just a really big mod box. We're like, look at my vein.
Where's your actual handle?
Right there.
This is a smaller one, so I don't have to have that big one.
Oh.
The battery life on a GoPro is so shit.
Really?
Yeah. It's already at 15%.
How much does it weigh down your helmet when you're wearing it?
I don't even really notice it, to be honest. Like, maybe I just got used to it, I don't know, but